Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set Booking.com pricings. Firstly, you set the one nightly rate per room. The price does not change based on how many guests stay. For example, one room is $100 per night, whether it's a 1 or 4 people. Also, if you want to do it occupancy-based pricing, you set different nightly rates depending on occupancy. Full control over pricing for each number of guests. For example, one person $70 per night, 2 people is $90 per night, 3 people is $110 per night, and 4 people are $130 per night, for example. It works as a shortcut to OBP. You set a standard occupancy price, then apply rules to automatically calculate other occupancies. For example, standard is 2 people is $100 per night, but if you have a plus 1 person is plus $20 a night, which means 3 guests for $120 a night. When you connect Booking.com with bed booking, the system automatically detects your pricing model and pulls rates into the bed booking price list that if you want to do it with bed booking. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.